Auckland. We are here in Auckland. Ladies and gentlemen, hi. We are here in Auckland. Hello mga minamahal ko manonood. Once again, this is Nelson. Live po tayo. At dito po tayo sa Auckland. Auckland, California. Auckland. Oh, one way again. We're going home now. We just pick it up our nanay in my ate's house in Alameda. Now we're going home. Sometimes I walk over there by myself. I don't drive. I just wanna see what's going on the surroundings. Something like that. Doon yung sinihan sa Bandaron. Dito tayo dumaan sa kanya. Sa likod eh. Pero pare-pare silang big street. Dito naman tayo sa 19th Street. Diretso na lang tayo. Yan, that's where they, go park ng Auckland na, nilalakad nila yung dati. Yan. See the building up there, kasi sinanap po yung building malalaki no? Yun. Yan, ayan, diba? Kasi bilang dentist ko dati, isa nalalakad ko lang ito, lakad nga lang ako. Mas magagawa. Chase. Lakad na building, malalaki Pero mga ito, para papil lang Hindi sa tagiliran doon. Kasi one way Doon sa Bandaron na kami tumira. Yung kwan. Sino ba yung bigla lumindol? Ito, Broadway Ito tayo sa Broadway. Ito yung sinihan. Ito pala yung sinihan Ito lang, punta na natin yan Paramount Theater Here, Paramount Theater. Right there Paramount Theater. Tagan na yan. We are in Auckland. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is Nelson Live. And if you like this movie, this video, please like and share, and don't forget to press the notification button and subscribe so that you guys are going to be updated to all the videos that I have to upload. Comprende? Yes. ¿Cómo está? Mexican people, Spanish people, how are you, American people? Kumusta mga Pilipino? This is Nelson once again. Vlogging. It's been like 5 years when I haven't seen this place. Now I'm here again. Ito magugustuhan nyo to. Next time I will tour you in San Francisco, in which we eat also. Yung malakas pa si nanay, talagang kumakain kami sa labas. Ito mga kwan, ang hirap na kasi nakakatakot tayo kasi dali-dali si nanay Grand Avenue, dyan ako dumadaan, doon na si nanay nagtatrabaho sa Bandaron, sa Grand Avenue. This is Grand Avenue, ladies and gentlemen. My friends and enemies. Alright. Good vibes lang po tayo, happy vibes lang po mga minamahal ko. Yan, sige, tuloy. Keep going.
We're having a tour. Nanay. Yeah. Going back to Vallejo. We are here right now in downtown Auckland. It's a beautiful place.
Most of the road is one way. Yeah, one way. And then over there by that road over there, that's where I bought my first car. Here in America with Tatay. Pretty woman walking down those. Good vibes lang po tayo mga minamahal ko manonood, mga subscribers ka, mga followers ka, mga friends. At marami Yeah, we should speak English because one of my subscriber, he asked me this. Oh, what language you guys speak in that, vlog? Oh yeah, you're right. So next time I said, when I make some vlog, it's in English. So, alright guys.
Okay.
But at least there's a tag list, Tagalog and English. Para sa ganun maintindihan din ng iba. So that the other will going to understand what I'm saying. This is Auckland, a grocery outlet right there.
Akin na, tawag.
Call. Eh, wala yun na tayo.